All right, this 2011 RAV4 needs a brake job done on the front, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Now start jacking it up. All the way up, all the way down. It goes much faster that way. Get the front tires off the ground. All right, that's far enough. Okay, now turn it the other way slowly. You might have to wiggle the tire around a little bit to get them out. Now go, or find the one on the bottom. Go ahead and put it on the bottom, and then we'll break that one loose. Yeah, this pad is shot. You just push it in. Do the same thing with this side. All right, that's all the way. Now go back the other way. All right, we got the new clips here. We're gonna snap those in. I think that's how that goes. Gonna seat it there and right there. Oh, that's all you gotta do. Just put it in horizontally and then roll it in. Push it all the way back to the piston. The hard part is this part of the clip right here is too far that way. So it doesn't allow this edge to engage, like slide past it. So you got to get that wedged up. All right, let's pull the caliper off now. Tap on it right here. All right, I was planning on replacing these rotors, but when I got to the shop, they said that they could be turned down one last time. I know you can see here there's a little bit of a wear ring from before they had turned it down, but I don't see that being a problem. This car's got 187,000 miles on it. If it makes it to 150, I'd say it's going to be shot, and I won't have to replace them. Let's get it put back together. Oh, and something else too. I realized that I could have put a metric bolt in these two holes right here, and I would have been able to just push this off. But what's the fun in that? It's fun pounding on this stuff. Yeah, it's probably not real good on the bearings and stuff, but you know what? It's an old car. It's worn out. Typically, I would put anti-seize on these bolts, but they look real good. And for those of you out there that don't think you could do this, it doesn't, you can tell, as you can see, it doesn't take a whole lot of expensive tools or anything like that, or a ton of know-how. And there's probably guys out there that do this for a living that say I'm doing something wrong. But I've done plenty of these to know that this is not going to be a problem. But at the same time, I am willing to take criticism and learn from my mistakes. So if there's something that I could do better, tell me down in the comments. You can save a lot of money by doing this yourself. There's a lot of people out there that aren't honest, and they're going to charge you way more than they should be. You just witnessed it. It didn't take a whole lot to do this. It's not difficult. Not to mention you can take pride in doing something yourself. People might say, well, why don't you just pay somebody? Well, there's no fun in that. I'll get that snugged down whenever I finish with the other side. Just driving that piston back again. Probably some fancy expensive tool you could use to do this. Yeah, I'm sure it would make it easier. But this isn't very hard. Oh no. Oh. I sprung a leak. I think it's just coming out of the reservoir up top. Brake fluid's very corrosive, so I'm going to want to get that off right away. This part can be a little tedious. Just take your time. These pads aren't as bad as the other side were. Do my star pattern, then I'll go around it clockwise. Just to make sure I got them all. One last check. Yeah, we're full. Really need to suck some out of there. Never used this, so let's figure it out. Let's see what happens here. Find a place to upright it. Yeah, that's close. We'll count that. Good deal. Should I save it or pitch it? I'm gonna pitch it. Let's go for a test drive. Well, it stops, so it counts, right? Rubber and brakes. Well, that about does it for this episode. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, that helps out the channel. Oh, and one other thing, if any of you guys out there, or girls, do the maintenance on your own stuff, let me know in the comments. I'd be curious to know how many of you are doing it yourself or you're taking it somewhere to have it done. Until the next episode, thanks for watching. It wasn't junk, it's junk now. Oh no. Too big. Oops. My kind of luck, fellas. Ladies and gents. Shut up. She actually listened to me.